Kanak Rathore is going to give you a glance of most prestigious school of our Central India, the Himalay International School. ये स्कूल आज का कंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं है, ये काफ़ी पुराना स्कूल है और हम यहाँ से जानेंगे कि यहाँ पर किस तरीके से टीचर्स बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, यहाँ क्या नया होता है स्कूल में. So guys, let's have a tour. और as you can see, it's a very big ground at back of me. काफ़ी अच्छा स्कूल है ये. गार्डन ग्राउंड तो काफ़ी अच्छा है यहाँ का. एंड आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटेड कि हमें आगे क्या क्या देखने को मिलने वाला है. एंड गाइस, अगर मैं बताऊँ तो मेरे आसपास यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी ग्रीनरी है. एंड टुडे वेदर इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. So it's a very pleasant day and I'm very excited to ask a lot of questions to our teachers, that how they are dealing with students and how they are dealing with this online teaching nowadays and what special they do during offline teaching. So be ready, we are going to get many answer of our questions. This is the reception area of Himalay International School, which is very beautiful, adorable and massive. And in the middle of this reception we have statue of goddess Saraswati. Now let's come to talk to our receptionist.
Hello ma'am.
Hello ma'am. Good morning.
How can I help?
Ma'am, we want to take tour of your school. So
Yeah.
please can you guide us?
Yeah, sure. Please come. This is the admin department, ma'am.
Okay.
And he is administrator, Mr. Rajesh Ojha.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Very good morning.
कैसे हैं आप?
First class.
Sir, I want to ask from how long you are working in this school?
See, मेरा जर्नी हिमालय इंटरनेशनल में वेरी फर्स्ट डे से था. ट्रांसपोर्ट में हमारे पास में 32 बसेस है.
So in Himalay they promote women empowerment as well as they have latest safety system in their buses. Now here we are in the back office of Himalaya and we are going to talk to one of the sir of this department. सर, आप इतने सालों से स्कूल में हैं तो मतलब कैसा लगता है आपको यहाँ पर?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है. यहाँ सभी स्टाफ मेंबर्स, मैनेजमेंट सभी बहुत कोऑपरेटिव हैं.
Okay sir, thank you so much. Fine. Now let's move to the other place of the school. Now we are going to see the academic area which belongs to teachers and students. So we are going to see that area and we are going to find many things in the classroom. So let's go.
Himalaya International School is a gem in the field of education. We are upgrading ourselves every day. This year, even in this pandemic, we are providing online education in complete classroom environment.
Now we are heading towards headmistress office and we are going to talk with her. So here is our headmistress of Himalaya International School, Ratlam. Ma'am, we want to know your experience with Himalaya International School.
Himalaya gives a magnificent platform to all the students as well as to the educators to enhance their capabilities. Here we have blended the offline and online concepts to enhance the learning potential of a child.
Our new venture, Shiksha Ratna. Shiksha Ratna is a coaching center where a competitive preparation for all the aspirants are being provided. It is not only for IIT, JEE or NEET, it's for all kind of competitive exams children can face after class 12th.